Hey everyone, welcome to Review Product. Does your car sometimes smell less than fresh? Or are you just looking to elevate your daily commute with a pleasant aroma? Today's video is all about transforming your car's atmosphere. I'm Review Product, and we're diving into the world of car air vent fresheners. We've sniffed out the top 5 models to help you pick the perfect one for your vehicle, your scent preferences, and your budget. Ready to breathe easy on the road? Let's jump right in. Number 5. Little Trees Car Air Freshener. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the undeniably iconic Little Trees Car Air Freshener. The biggest advantage of this classic is its simplicity, widespread availability, and incredibly affordable price point. You can find them almost anywhere, and they offer a huge variety of scents to match any preference, from New Car to Black Ice and Vanilla Pride. They're super easy to use. Just hang it from your rearview mirror, and they immediately release a strong burst of fragrance, quickly neutralizing unpleasant odors in your vehicle. They've been a staple for decades for a reason. Pros: extremely affordable, very budget-friendly. Massive scent variety, something for every preference. Widely available, easy to find in most stores. Simple to use, just hang and go. Provides an immediate strong fragrance. Cons: scent strength can be overwhelming initially. Some users find them too strong at first. Scent longevity is limited. The fragrance often fades quickly, especially after a few days. Can visually obstruct a small part of your rearview mirror, though minor. Doesn't offer adjustable scent intensity. Key features: iconic tree shape, wide range of fragrances, hanging design. Number 4. Yankee Candle MidSummer's Night Sidekick Vent Clip Fragrance Kit. Next up at number 4, we have the Yankee Candle MidSummer's Night Sidekick Vent Clip Fragrance Kit. If you love the sophisticated aromas of home candles, this brings that experience into your car. The main advantage is its premium, long-lasting fragrance that smells much more natural and refined than many artificial car fresheners. The Midsummer's Night scent is particularly popular, offering a blend of musk, patchouli, sage, and mahogany cologne notes. The vent clip design ensures consistent scent diffusion throughout your car's interior, and its sleek appearance adds a touch of elegance. Pros: premium, sophisticated fragrances, high-quality scent profile. Long-lasting scent delivery designed for sustained aroma. Sleek, aesthetically pleasing design, looks good on your vent. Vent clip ensures even scent distribution, known brand for quality fragrances. Cons: higher price point, more expensive than basic air fresheners. Scent range is specific to Yankee Candle's line, less variety than some broad brands. Some users might find even premium scents overwhelming in a small car space. Can partially block airflow from the vent. Key features: vent clip design, high-quality fragrance oils, known brand reliability. Number 3. Driftwood Freshener. Sliding into the number 3 spot, we have the Driftwood Freshener. This is an innovative and aesthetically pleasing option for those who prefer a more natural and subtle scent experience in their car. The key benefit is its unique use of real wood infused with fragrance, offering a cleaner, less artificial aroma compared to chemical sprays. The natural wood design adds a rustic or minimalist touch to your car's interior, making it blend seamlessly rather than standing out. The scent is typically subtle and long-lasting, gradually releasing fragrance over time as the wood warms slightly. Pros: natural, subtle fragrance, less artificial, more organic scent. Unique aesthetic: real wood adds a stylish minimalist look. Long-lasting diffusion: scent is released gradually, eco-friendly compared to plastic alternatives, can be recharged with new essential oils in some cases. Cons: initial scent might be very subtle, not ideal if you want an immediate strong aroma. More expensive than basic air fresheners. Limited scent variety compared to mass-produced brands, often specific essential oil blends. May require periodic re-infusion with oil for continuous scent. Key features: real wood material, essential oil infusion, natural aesthetic, hanging or vent clip options. Number 2. Meguiar's Whole Car Air Refresher. Our runner-up at number 2 is a different kind of air freshener, Meguiar's Whole Car Air Refresher. This isn't a continuous air freshener but a one-time odor eliminator that truly refreshes your entire vehicle. The immense benefit is its ability to penetrate every inch of your car's interior, including the ventilation system, to permanently eliminate stubborn odors like smoke, pet smells, or food spills, rather than just masking them. You simply activate the can inside a closed car, let it work, and then air out the vehicle for a factory fresh scent. It's a game changer for deep odor issues. Pros: deep odor elimination. Permanently removes tough odors, doesn't just mask them. Refreshes entire car interior, treats seats, carpet, and ventilation system. Easy to use, simple activation for a one-time treatment. Leaves a clean, new car scent. Effective for smoke, pet, and food odors. Cons: not a continuous air freshener. You'll need other products for ongoing scent. Requires the car to be empty and doors closed during treatment. The car needs to be aired out completely after use, which takes time. Can be more expensive per use than hang-on fresheners. Key features: fogger application, odor elimination technology, new car scent, one-time use. Number 1. Febreze Car Air Freshener Vent Clip. And finally, crowning our list at number 1, it's the Febreze Car Air Freshener Vent Clip. This model takes our top spot due to its unbeatable balance of effective odor elimination, long-lasting freshness, and adjustable scent intensity. Febreze is known for its powerful odor-fighting technology, and this vent clip actively eliminates tough smells while releasing a continuous clean fragrance. The key feature is the adjustable dial, allowing you to control how much scent is released, ensuring it's never too overpowering. It's affordable, widely available, and consistently delivers a fresh, pleasant car environment, making it a reliable choice for every driver. Pros: powerful odor elimination, actively fights tough smells. Adjustable scent intensity, allows customization for personal preference. Long-lasting freshness, provides continuous scent for weeks. Easy vent clip installation, simple and secure. Affordable and widely available, excellent value and accessibility. Variety of pleasant scents. Cons: can partially block airflow from the vent. Some users might still find certain scents too strong, even on the lowest setting. Requires replacement cartridges when the scent runs out. Key features: odor elimination technology, adjustable scent dial, vent clip design, long-lasting fragrance.